Hi everyone, this is a demo for unit test-driven development. So in this example, we want to rename this is creator of method to creator of in order to follow the Rails naming convention. So on the right side, this is user underscore spec file, which is the RSpec test file for user.rb model file. So if we run this test file, and we could see a lot of pending tests. Basically, you need to use unit test-driven development method and try to write field tests first, then make the tests pass and try to finish all these pending tests. So as you can see here, we already have the pending tests for this method. Yeah, and since we want to rename this method, I just put creator of. I try to write methods for creator of, and we could also run this method only, and we could add a column plus the line number here, and in theory we could see 2 pending tests. So yeah, 2 pending tests is not yet implemented. So right now we need to write 2 pending tests. Sorry, 2 field tests, right? So in order to speed up the video, I just write the tests here. So for the first test cases, I did not use the context here, but you could use it. We assume that the user is current user. Basically, we define user at the top, and the target user is user 1. Basically, we want to find that the current as a user is the creator of user 1. And the first, we since there's a creator method in called by this method, but since it's a unit test, we do not need to look into detail about this creator method. We just stop this behavior. So we just allow user 1 to receive this behavior and try to return user, and then we write our expectations. Basically, user is a creator of user 1, and we expect to be true. And the second test cases, so we just do the similar things. So right now, as we run this test case, and we should see 2 field test cases. Since in current code base there's no creator of this method, so as you can see, undefined method creator of. So then we need to make these 2 test cases pass. So we just rename this method to creator of, and we save the file and we run again. So hopefully these 2 tests will pass. Yeah, it's passed. So this is the basic steps of test-driven development: red, green, and since we only rename the method name, we do not need to refactor. So hopefully this simple example could help you to understand the steps of test-driven.